exciting day here at Stan's World, and the track machine came in. So we are converting the old manual Bridgeport mill over here to a full-blown 3-axis CNC milling machine. We're going to put a ProtoTrax on there that I bought. Man, that's going to be a great aid for me in my little projects that I'm making all. But hell, man, I'm just waiting on the ProtoTrax guys to come and install this bad boy, and let's see what happens. Let's watch them put this thing on. This is going to be pretty cool. Installing. The installation of a ProtoTrax 3 on a Bridgeport mill. 1981 Bridgeport milling machine. Right here at Stan's World. Frady Cat Enterprises, whatever you want to call it. Alright, let's do it. Alright, y'all, it appears as the first repairman has arrived. Mr. Nick over there is unboxing the stuff, getting ready to see what we got to do here. So we're waiting on Adam to get here, and Adam and Nick will put on the track. Let's do it, man. Shoot, yeah. Boy, them guys are moving fast, ain't they? Wow, let's do it some more. Okay, a little update here on the track machine. As you can see, the track machine's coming along quite well. They're getting busy. They got the motors on. Turns out that motor there's no good. We have to get a replacement. So they got some problems. They left out a bearing and didn't bring in a. There's the computer in the back of the machine. A lot smaller than they used to be, huh? But that's it, man. The track's coming right along, and hey, well, this is the end of day one on getting the ProtoTrax put on my mill. They got a lot done, but they did not finish the job. But here's where we are. Let's take a look at what all we got. We got the Y motor on, electronic hand wheels. We got the X motor on, electronic hand wheels. We got the pendant and all put on up there. The electronic hand wheels is really cool, so I want you to check this out. This is I really like this option, this feature. I'm glad I got this because it's awesome and cool. You can just it's fine and coarse. Both of them work that way. Coarse. Sweet, sweet, sweet. I'm loving it. They're going to come in tomorrow. Like I said, come in tomorrow. They're going to be putting the Z on tomorrow. Then she'll be a fully three-blown 3-axis CNC mill. The latest technology. Looks pretty smooth. I like it. I'm a happy camper. Let's get it done. That's it for today, folks. And we'll join you in the morning. And some more. And some more. And some more. Yep, the last thing we're going to do here before we get finished up is put my new vise on here and indicate it in with the new electronic hand wheels and all that stuff. So let's get that done, get that over with. Then we got to clean up our mess. God, we got a big mess here to clean up. It's a crazy boxes and shit that come in this thing. It's a massive mess to clean up. So let's get this vise on here. Get this done. I really like this too. This is a really nice vise. I went out on a limb about this. I went out on a limb. I said, well, I done spent this much money. Might as well go ahead and do it right, you know. That was a little high for me, but ain't really moved on it. Wow. I think I'm gonna put it back here. It's kind of strange because if you put it in the middle slot, it hangs off the front. I don't like that. This damn vise has got like a 9-inch opening on it. Crazy. Over 9. Yeah. I got those things that go in the bottom of it that fits down in the slots, but I really don't care about using those things. Kind of tight. Which I guess that's good. Thing I would make is one of these fit my damn electric drill, so I don't got to do that right there. Wow, they really haul ass. I really like that. I really like that electronic hand wheels. That's cool. Electronic hand wheels, once you write a program, you can crank the electronic hand wheels and they will run your program. It's the type of tracking they have. It's pretty awesome shit. It didn't move at all. Well, damn, that's pretty good. Didn't move at all. Let's just tighten it down right there. It moves in when I tighten it down. I seen it. Ah, I did. But it didn't move until that point. Yeah, it's off a little bit. Where my hammer's at? Soft hammer. It is. If I got one, I do, a piece of one. Just took a chunk out of it here a while back, though, as you can see. Wrong way. That's it. 0, 0, and 0. So now we can tighten it. Now let's see how much it moves when we really tighten it up. Didn't move. Perfect. It's ready to machine, babe. We ready to go, people. There it is. All indicated in, heads trimmed up, CNC's put on there. We ready to make some parts. So let's do it. All right. I love you. Okay, y'all. We're gonna run this thing for the first time. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to program and run, okay? Like, for example, in that part right there, I got a 0, 0. I did a circle pocket, a 0, 0. I told it how far to come the tool down, wrap it to 100 thousandths. I told it my ZN was 600. My hole has a radius of 500 thousandths in it, so it's a 1-inch hole. Counterclockwise direction, 3 passes. I'm plunging. Finish cut of 10 thousandths. Got a 10 feed rate, 25 on the Z, and finish feed rate of 50. Tool number 1. Then we'll drop that down 3/4 of an inch and do it again. So I just want to go, my X center is going to be minus, I think. Yeah, it's going to be minus 1.75. Center is going to be the same. Rapid's going to be the same. No, better go back on that one. Rapid, 0.1. Just got to do it all again. I didn't know that. ZN minus radius again, 0.5. Direction, counterclockwise, or either way, it don't matter to me. Passes 3. Entry mode, plunge. Be 1, 2 for plunge. Finish cut, 0.01. Feed rate, 10. 25. And 50. Now I want to do that about 3 more times, okay? But I'm not going to write a program for each time. I'm just going to copy it, okay? I think you can just sub that out. Sub repeat. Yeah, sub repeat. Event number 2. Last event 2. X offset, minus 1.75. Incremental on that one. Y be none. Z rapid offset, none on that one. And none on anything. Just do 3 repeats. And feed rate will be the same. Tool number 1. There it is. All right. All right, let's run it. We'll go ahead and do that hole over again, split it on, even hurt nothing. That's phenolic I'm cutting. It's a type of fiber, kind of plastic-like stuff. Real tough stuff. Real tough. Get my hand on the stop button just in case it does something crazy when it does that next hole, because I don't know what it's going to do. I'm assuming it'll look good in the picture, but you never know, you know. First time running my machine, I don't want to crash my new vise. Not the first program anyway. Now it should do a skin cut on this. Haul ass really fast. Actually, I haven't run it all the way through yet. Actually, I didn't need 3 passes. I'm just making me a little thing to hang collets on right here is what I'm doing. There's the finished pass. Next hole, boom, start all over again. like it. That's so cool. A few computer chips and a few stepper motors. I'll do that. Here it goes, finished. Now it's going to stop. That's it. That's it. Yeah, drawbars knocked in it there. I got to fix that. Yeah, that's it, folks. There it is. The first program run on the new CNC machine. Cool. Well, it's been an exciting 2 days here at Freddy Thin's World, and I have to say I'm quite pleased with the ProtoTrax. I'm not new to the track machines. I had one about 20 years ago, and I've worked at several employers that's had them also. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more ProtoTrax stuff, because I'll be experimenting with this thing and doing all kinds of stuff with it, so promoting it the best I can. But anyway, have a wonderful weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. God bless.